Are you tired of fighting with dry, brittle hair every wash day? Today, I'll show you how to make a 100% natural herbal conditioner that helps tangles slip away, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. Let's make it.
1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, as my first ingredient, I'm adding 1/2 cup of flax seeds. This is what's going to give your conditioner that amazing slippery texture, allowing your tangles to glide right out without causing breakage. Next up, our second ingredient is rose petals. These will deeply soften your hair, add a gorgeous natural shine, and soothe your scalp, leaving it feeling healthy and refreshed. For our third ingredient, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hibiscus. This incredible flower is one of the best natural ingredients for promoting healthy hair growth, strengthening your roots, and helping reduce excessive shedding. Now that all the herbs are in there, I'm pouring in 2 cups of water and giving everything a good mix to combine all of the ingredients. Now here I have everything on the stove and I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes because we don't want to reduce it too much. Otherwise, the flaxseed gel will become too thick, making it difficult to strain. Make sure you keep stirring it gently while it cooks so it can stay nice, smooth, and at the perfect consistency. Boiling the herbs is a critical step because the heat acts as an extraction key, helping release the beneficial compounds hidden inside of the plants. This process allows the water to absorb many of the nutrients and properties from each herb, making the conditioner even more effective. After about 5 to 8 minutes, I'm grabbing a cheesecloth and I'm going to carefully strain the mixture to remove all of the herbs. Be extremely careful because the gel can be very hot. We only want that smooth, clean flaxseed gel with absolutely no herb residue left behind. Now look at this beautiful gel. It has such a gorgeous color. But listen, we're absolutely not throwing away those leftover herbs. We're going to place it right back in the pan and continue on. Here I am now placing the leftover herbs right into this pan. Now I'm adding a little more than half of a bottled water bottle.
This
this is what it looks like, and now we're going to go back to the stove to let it simmer. I'm repeating the same exact step process. Let's move on to straining the mixture through the cheesecloth once again. Now look at all that extra gel we almost lost. The first extraction is in the larger pan, and our second extraction is in the smaller one. Let's keep moving. Now I'm using the double boiler method to create our rich oil base. I'm adding 2 spoonfuls of cocoa butter and also 2 spoonfuls of mango butter. This combination is incredible for locking in moisture and keeping your hair feeling soft and nourished. You're going to now mix and make sure that everything completely melts. Once everything has completely melted, look at this beautiful oil blend. I'm now pouring it into a larger bowl so we can have plenty of room when we bring out the hand mixer. I'm going to place this bowl of melted butters into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. We want it to cool so the butters become completely uniform and begin to firm up. And look at how it looks like once it's out of the freezer. Nice and firm with a beautiful creamy color. I'm going to now use my hand mixer and start whipping everything together until it becomes a thick, creamy mixture. And don't forget, guys, I'm making the ultimate hair conditioner just like so many of you requested. Alright, let's keep that mixer running. Now I'm going to slowly pour in our flaxseed gel. We're not using all of it, but just enough to achieve the perfect consistency. Make sure to keep mixing everything together until everything is smooth and creamy. After mixing, we're not done yet. I'm now adding some powerhouse ingredients, starting off with some vitamin E oil, then argan oil, next is tea tree oil, vegetable glycerin, and finally, castor oil. Give everything one final mix until all of the ingredients, along with the oils, are fully incorporated. And boom, look at the results. This is the ultimate homemade hair conditioner, guys. For everyone who has been asking me in the comments how to make this conditioner, here it is. This recipe is about to make a huge difference in you guys' hair care routine. And as a quick heads up, Since we're keeping this recipe 100% natural, without any chemical emulsifiers or preservatives, there are two important things to remember. First, make it in small batches because the gel and oils may separate over time. And second, store it in the refrigerator as soon as you're done finished making it. Treat it like fresh food and keep it cold. Make sure to use it within a couple days for best results. Now that it's finished, I'm now going to be transferring this amazing hair conditioner into my jar. But you can use any clean, sanitized container that you have at home. This super hair conditioner will deeply hydrate your strands, providing incredible slip for effortless detangling and leave your hair feeling softer, smoother, healthier, and stronger than ever before. I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarlane, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you'll get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description box will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!